Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses model GG1156S in color code 004. The color of the frame is Havana. And the lenses are green. These glasses are also a pilot shape. The temples are also Havana, and you'll find the Gucci logo in gold. This is the inside of the frame. And both temples are the same. You'll also find the Gucci logo engraved on its top right lens. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo, made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 57 is for its lens, 14 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, a Gucci dust bag, although color and style may vary, a white Gucci cleaning cloth, and a Gucci envelope, which holds a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.